Get a high heat here. So we gotta cut this thing. Remember, we got to remove it. Okay. It's so hot. So we're gonna have this chicken, 3 piece, total about 6 pieces of chicken. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 pieces of chicken. We're gonna cook curry for this. So this is it. This is the final. How this look like. Very delicious. Piece of chicken. Some veg. Some gravy. Look at the consistency. Very nice. I don't know how to describe this, but wow, is that really curry meant for fish? Yeah, and curry meant for fish. Very nice. However, so preferably fish. Very nice. Recommended. You can go ahead and try it. Buy it, man. Tell you love it. Thumbs up.